Dear students, teachers and industry practitioners, as we conclude this enriching journey through the NPTEL course Cobotics Theory and Practice, let us take a moment to reflect on what we have achieved and the knowledge that we have shared. Throughout the weeks, we delved deep into the fundamentals and intricacies of collaborative robotics. From understanding the necessity of cobots in modern industries to exploring compliance design, safety standards, kinematics, dynamics, and control systems, this course has aimed to provide you with robust foundation. Our discussion extended into real-world applications and case studies, examining how cobots are transforming industries like manufacturing and assembly lines through their flexibility, precision, and capability to operate alongside humans. More importantly, this course was about preparing you for the future. Cobotics is not just a technological advancement, it's a vision that seamless human machine collaboration that fosters innovation, efficiency, and safety in every workspace. As engineers, innovators, or enthusiasts, you now have understanding and tools needed to contribute to this ever evolving field. To our undergraduate students, we hope this course has inspired you to explore cobotics further and consider its potential impact on your future careers. For postgraduate students and researchers pursuing their PhDs, may this serve as a stepping stone to deeper exploration and groundbreaking contributions to this field. And to our industry professionals, I believe this course has provided you with fresh insights and innovation strategies to enhance operations in your organization. Let this be the beginning of your journey with cobots. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember that this potential of this technology is limited only by your imagination and drive to push its boundaries. Thank you for your dedication, enthusiasm, and curiosity throughout this course. It has been an absolute privilege to take this journey with you. I wish all great success in your future endeavors. Thanks a lot.